Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a financial rut, living paycheck to paycheck? Yeah, I've been there too. It can feel like you're just treading water, barely keeping your head above the surface. But what if I told you there's a way to not only stay afloat, but actually get ahead? That's where side hustles come in. Now, I'm not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme. I'm talking about real, legitimate ways to use your skills and time to create an additional income stream. And the best part, you don't need to be an expert or quit your day job to get started. In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 side hustles that can help you make an extra $1,000 a month or more. We're talking about practical, actionable steps you can take right now to start building a brighter financial future for yourself. So if you're ready to take control of your finances and start earning some serious cash, stick around. Okay, so you've got a way with words. You aced English class back in the day. That skill can make you serious money online. Content writing is huge right now. Businesses need high-quality content and will pay for it. Every blog post, article, product description, someone wrote that, and that someone could be you. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr have clients looking for writers. Find gigs from short blog posts to long-form articles. The key is to find your niche. What are you passionate about? Whether it's finance, travel, or cooking, there's an audience for your expertise. The more you write, the better you'll get, and the more money you can make. Create engaging, informative content, and you'll build a successful side hustle. And who knows, maybe one day it'll turn into your full-time gig. Now, if you're looking to level up your writing game and potentially earn even more money, sales copywriting might be your calling. This is where the power of persuasion comes in. We're talking about writing copy that converts, the kind that makes people whip out their wallets and hit that buy now button. Think about the most compelling ads you've seen, the ones that really stuck with you. That's the work of a skilled sales copywriter. They understand the psychology behind consumer behavior and know how to craft words that resonate with their target audience. From website copy and email marketing campaigns to social media ads and product descriptions, sales copywriters are in high demand. Businesses know that having persuasive copy is essential for driving sales and growing their bottom line. To get started, immerse yourself in the world of copywriting. Study successful ads, read books and articles on the subject, and consider taking online courses to hone your skills. Practice writing different types of sales copy, like headlines, calls to action, and product benefits. Remember, the key to effective sales copywriting is to understand your audience, highlight the benefits of the product or service, and create a sense of urgency. If you can master these elements, you'll be well on your way to becoming a sought-after copywriter. Alright, let's be real. In today's digital world, first impressions are everything, and when it comes to online content, your thumbnail is your first impression. It's the visual hook that grabs people's attention and makes them want to click on your video, article, or social media post. Think about it, you're scrolling through YouTube and you're bombarded with tons of videos. Which ones are you most likely to click on? The ones with eye-catching, intriguing thumbnails, right? That's the power of good design. Now you might be thinking, I'm not a designer, I can't create awesome thumbnails, but here's the thing. You don't need to be a Photoshop whiz to get started. There are tons of user-friendly design tools out there, like Canva, that make it easy to create professional-looking thumbnails, even if you have zero design experience. The key is to understand what makes a good thumbnail. Use bright, contrasting colors, bold fonts, and compelling imagery that accurately represents your content. And don't be afraid to experiment. Try different layouts, fonts, and colors to see what works best. You can find clients on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and even social media. Reach out to YouTubers, bloggers, and businesses who need help creating engaging thumbnails for their content. With a little effort and creativity, you can turn your design skills into a profitable side hustle. Chapter 4. Building your online empire website designed for profit. We've talked about content writing, sales copywriting, and thumbnail design. Now let's talk about the foundation websites. In today's digital age, having a website is essential. Whether for a business, blog, or personal portfolio, everyone needs a website. It should look good, function seamlessly, and provide a great user experience. That's where you come in. As a website designer, you create online experiences that captivate and drive results. Website design might sound intimidating, but it's accessible. Tons of resources online can teach you web design. Start with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, or use website builders like Wix or Squarespace. Once you grasp the technical stuff, focus on creativity and client needs. Understand their message and target audience. What features do they need? Network with local businesses, reach out to your personal network, or showcase your portfolio on platforms like Behance or Dribbble. With hard work, you can turn your passion for web design into a thriving side hustle. Chapter 5. Riding the short-form wave, monetizing your video editing skills. Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room, or should I say the dancing TikToker in the room. Short-form video is blowing up right now. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, they're everywhere, and businesses are scrambling to get in on the action. But here's the thing, creating engaging short-form videos takes time, effort, and a certain level of editing prowess. And that's where you come in. If you've got a knack for video editing, you can capitalize on this trend and make some serious cash. Think about it. Businesses need eye-catching videos that grab attention, showcase their products or services, and keep people watching. They need videos that are optimized for each platform's specific format and algorithm, and they're willing to pay good money for someone who can deliver. You don't need to be a Hollywood filmmaker to get started. Start by mastering the basics of video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Experiment with different editing techniques, transitions, and effects. Watch popular short-form videos and analyze what makes them engaging. Once you feel confident in your skills, start reaching out to businesses, influencers, and even individuals who need help creating short-form videos. You can find clients on social media, freelance platforms, or even by networking with people in your local community. Chapter 6. The Secret Weapon, Becoming a Solopreneur's Right-Hand Man or Woman. Ever wonder how successful entrepreneurs and business owners manage to do it all? How do they juggle multiple projects, meet deadlines, and still have time for, life? Well, the answer is often simple. They have help. They have a secret weapon, a personal assistant. And here's the thing, you don't need to be physically present in an office to be a personal assistant anymore. In today's remote work world, virtual assistants are in high demand. Entrepreneurs, small business owners, and even busy professionals are looking for skilled individuals who can help them stay organized, manage their schedules, and handle administrative tasks. The best part? Being a virtual assistant can be incredibly flexible. You can often set your own hours, work from anywhere with an internet connection, and choose the clients and tasks that align with your skills and interests. So what exactly does a virtual assistant do? Well, it varies depending on the client's needs, but common tasks include managing emails, scheduling appointments, booking travel, creating presentations, handling social media, and even providing customer service. If you're organized, detail-oriented, and have excellent communication skills, becoming a virtual assistant could be the perfect side hustle for you. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and even LinkedIn are great places to find potential clients. Chapter 7. Social Media Mastery, Turning Likes and Follows into Dollars. Okay, let's be real, we're all spending a good chunk of our time on social media anyway, right? So why not get paid for it? Seriously, managing social media accounts for businesses has become a lucrative side hustle, and it's only growing in demand. Think about it. Businesses need to be where their customers are, and their customers are on social media. But managing multiple social media accounts, creating engaging content, running ads, and analyzing data takes time and expertise, and that's where you come in. As a social media manager, you're the voice of the brand online. You're responsible for crafting and posting engaging content, interacting with followers, running contests and promotions, and analyzing data to see what's working and what's not. The key to being a successful social media manager is to understand the nuances of each platform, stay up to date on the latest trends and algorithms, and be able to create content that resonates with the target audience. You can find clients by reaching out to local businesses, networking with people in your industry, or even creating a portfolio of your work and showcasing it on platforms like Instagram or LinkedIn. With hard work, creativity, and a passion for social media, you can turn your scrolling skills into a profitable side hustle. Chapter 8. Take action, start building your side hustle empire today. So there you have it, 7 side hustles that can help you make an extra $1,000 a month or more. Remember, the key is to choose something that aligns with your skills, interests, and lifestyle. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different things until you find the perfect fit. Building a successful side hustle takes time, effort, and consistency, but the rewards are well worth it. Not only can you earn extra income, but you can also gain valuable skills, build your network, and even turn your side hustle into your full-time gig if you choose. So what are you waiting for? Pick a side hustle, take action, and start building the financial future you deserve. And hey, while you're at it, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which side hustle you're most excited to try.